see the difference in the size of the two little blues. That small blue cochin and the blue BBS mix chicks standing next to each other. You can see the difference in the size. I think that little blue is actually going to end up being a barred rock. I figured I'd give you guys a chance to take a look at the box and see our little brood we've got going on. I think if all the chicks that have already started to push their way out of the eggs haven't just pipped, but have actually broken the eggs open, haven't emerged completely, if they all come out and end up in the brooder tomorrow, then we will have to upgrade to the bigger box that we have. It's black inside, so hopefully the black will absorb the heat, make it a little warmer for them, keep the heat going really nice for them. There's the box. You see the little fluffy duck in the back. Got the Aracanas, BBS English Orpington mix, the Bantam Cochin, that's a Calico, a little yellow one, and a Barred Rock, and then a Welsh Harlequin duckling in the middle. He's a little tired. He's had a rough day today. He was pretty nasty earlier. It was so bad we had to actually get him wet and put him in the sink. You can see on his face he's still got a little bit, and one of his eyes is still sealed shut with probably, membrane from the egg, but we'll give him a few days and I'm sure he'll be fine. Oh, this is the brooder box. Let me lower the light back down for them, and they don't like being bothered, as you can see. So we're going to lower the light back down and cover them back up. Keep the heat in for them, keep them nice and warm. Alright.